Well guys, I'm down on the river today. The water's quite high down here, so I can't do much down there. But up here on the bank, look at all the stuff that's here. I'm digging through it, trying to see what I can find. I got an old church here at the top of the hill. So I imagine all this trash came from there. You imagine? Even the church was throwing garbage in the river. I just dug out this beautiful cobalt. Man, I can't get enough of these. These are my favorite bottles. Of course, a lot of you know that. It's even got the cap on it. Although it's rusted up pretty good. Bromo Seltzer. I'll definitely be hauling that one out with me. Set it in a safe space there. See another bottle there. Liquor bottle, it looks like. But we're going to dig around some more and see what we can find. So I was down here moving up along the bank, and when I was walking up, this red pole caught my eye. I thought that's really weird and out of place. So as I got down here, I started looking, and if you look at the ground, you can actually see the outline of an old building that used to be right here. You see a bunch of cans and stuff over there. Not exactly sure how old it would be, but there is one way to find out if you look at some of the nails. You see these are round, so this would be 1900s. But to make sure it wasn't added onto, we'll see if there's any squares. And I'm not seeing a single square nail. You'd barely even know there was a building here at one time. All the cans and stuff. I wonder what was here though. This is an old road that was abandoned, and they moved the road way over there. See stuff way down there too. There's a bottle. That one don't look too old though. Gotta grab my case before I lose it. So let's move down this way. See if we can spot anything. Fall over. So check this out, guys. I just found the top of an old telephone pole, and look what's on it. If we can get it out of here. I wonder if there's more down there. I have to figure out how to get that up. Oh no! It's broken. Shoot. I thought I actually had something there. Oh man. I guess that's the name of the game. I'll get back to you guys when I can. I think I just stumbled on something to do with the railroad. Look at this steel here. This is thick, heavy-duty stuff. There's a whole bunch of pieces here of it. Looks like it was one big square or something. It's nice scrap metal right there. That's #1 steel. And it's heavy too. I can barely get it with one hand. But I see there's a whole bunch of more stuff all down in through here. Over there too. I think we might have hit a good spot. Fan. That's off an old car. Yeah, there's lots of stuff in here. That over there. Old pot. Something right there. It's got a threaded pipe. Yeah, there was definitely something heavy duty going on here. But I'm gonna have to shut the camera off so I can dig. I'm on the side of the river bank here and it's pretty hard to keep my balance. So if I find anything cool, I'll let you guys know. So I was still sitting here digging and I just happened to look up and something over here caught my eye. If it'll focus. Does that look like a wheel to you guys? We gotta get over there and check it out. Wow, man. I think I hit the jackpot. If I can get over here without falling. Hey, what's that? Something here too. Come on. I think I hit it this time. Man. Yeah, it did look like some kind of old wheel or something there. Look at the stuff here. Wow. Look, what's that? I can't tell what that says. Looks like some kind of a hubcap. Maybe some of you know. Just wow, man. I can't believe the stuff that's here. The bottom of an old gas lantern. Pottery. Wow. There must have been another building here. That other building that I was at was way down there. Man. I've been hauling some of this steel up there. When I get a chance, I'm going to come back with my truck and pick it up. I actually got a lot of stuff to pick up. It's all been put on the back burner since last winter. But this is a gold mine. I'm going to have to get a saw so I can cut up some of these branches and get them out of my way. I'm having a hard time moving everything because it's all tangled. What's that there? That looks like the butt of a gun. Oh, I guess it's a toy gun. Huh. That's cool. Looks like an old flower vase. show you guys what I got at the top. Bunch of scrap there. All that big, thick, heavy plating. Some other stuff. That's all money in the bank there. I can't do much with it, you know, collectible wise, but like I always say, you can't argue with free money. With all the cans and stuff here, I could dig for days. Still wouldn't get through it all. That's where I've been digging there. Having a hard time to pull it up because of them branches. But look at the size of that tree there too. You can tell that's been there a while. Wow. I'll get back to you guys when I can. Well guys, I think I'm going to have to call it a day. I'm going to have to bring some tools back with me to dig and cut. I should also have my truck to come back here. I'm going to load all of this up into my truck. For most of it anyway, what I can get to, and there's still all kinds down in there. I'm going to have to get myself a winch that I can put on the back of my truck. Because I could pull my truck right up here. I could winch stuff up the hill. That would be a big help. But anyway guys, until next time, thanks for watching.